Guess I'll have to do it manually. Yeah. Anywho, so for this case, just look for this little join point and start to do it. Then just start aligning them. Just this way, the next step should be even easier. Way easier. Alright, so now you can actually see this. Go to the width scale from here parameters and then just shrink it. Keep going until you are like 0.65. Just then we'll be heading over to interval and no, too far. There we go. So once you have that, you go to position and there you have it. Make sure that's aligned and I'll just make a few adjustments with control points. And here you go. In my case, I just make it a little bit thicker. And you should be seeing, there we go. Okay, so now what you have to do is make small tinkering, small adjustments, and you should be fine. So you're wondering why am I concentrating so much on one side instead of making the other one? Well, it's like you saw previously. Go to procedural group, the one that you just made, right click. Nope, that was not the one that I told you. Clone. And there you have the other one. So now, all you have to do is rotate it to the other side. And make sure that it's perfectly aligned. In my case, not even. Yeah, not. Almost there. Almost. Way to go. Ah, there you are. And this should be almost fine. I'll retry setting up. There is something else. Let me see if I can make it wider. Here we go. Offset. Other guide parameters. That's where you have to check for amplifying things. Now it's looking much more alike. So here, just have to select one thing, just push it downwards or pull it down. So that way, you kinda have it. The only downside is that you can actually just cover this. And it's on Vroid alone. If you wanna make it to another one, you just have to try and shrink it. I'll show you right about now. Do this over and over. And then you'll be seeing this. And you know, it's not that much fun. The only trick that there could be, if you can actually call that a trick, is actually making another hair group. Convert it to brush hair and just make the other look invisible. So that way, you can actually work with this. Once you convert it to freehand, you can actually just delete the small hair strands and just do this. Go to brush, maximize the hair width, and let's begin. If something like this happens, go to control point and just stretch it all the way over here. Unite these two. And repeat the process again, at least one more time. So that way, you actually have some reach. So this one's kind of a slightly better method. The only thing you need to watch out for is here, this little errors that you cure. They're not actual errors, but you know, for us, for whoever actually designed it, it's actual error. Yeah, but it's actually easy to fix. So now, if everything's correct, slightly better, but there's some mess over there. Maybe just minimize. I mean, maybe try again, just reducing a little bit of hair width. It's usually kind of a little game here, because you have to actually be focused and try your best to make it look perfect. Yeah, I know I've seen or said that many other times, but sometimes if you're not that focused, you can actually just miss it. The only reason why I'm speeding up so much is because I have the mirror button on. If not, it would have taken me a slightly longer time. Now, what I have to do, go to select and try to shrink it a little bit. Since they're all in one type of hair group, they actually will go along with it. And there won't be any type of complications. And then there's this too. So now, if that's right, it is better. I just have to make some small adjustment, but besides of that, this actually is. I forgot that with Rose from Pokemon, she doesn't actually just leave the forehead cover like that. So that was my bad.